Gypsy, boho knotless braids detailed step-by-step tutorial. Watch carefully till the end. Please share. Feed in small pieces of braiding hair like so to keep the size of your braid consistent from top to bottom. When feeding in the curly hair, make sure you braid tight so that it doesn't slide out. Make sure the straight part of the curly hair is all braided in for more security. Watch carefully. I end 3 to 5 pieces of hair per braid depending on how full my client wants her set. Please comment what you want to see me post next, like, share, and don't forget to follow. I also add the curly hair to the end of the braids. Cut off the straight part first. Take a small piece and feed it into the end of the braid. Braid it down a few times and secure with glue on the back of the braid. Cut the 3 pieces of braiding hair. Trim the flyaways immediately. Don't wait until you finish. It'll be a lot harder then. Thanks for watching. I really hope this helps. Don't forget to like, share, and follow.